Stop number 3, downtown. We're in downtown LA, guys. Yeah, we just freaking went around here like 5 times for parking. So yeah, let's go get in the raffle and let's smash out. Dude got the raffle right there for the fires, and then oh, you guys got the snakeskins too? Dope. You can only participate in 1 raffle per store. So I did get my work phone. Yeah, we're gonna do it on the work phone, you guys. I just did the biohack, so now I'm doing this one. We're doing a size 11 for the homie. Yeah, we're good, I think. We're good, you guys. We're done. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cakes. We're at Northridge Mall. Yeah, let's go see what deals they got, you guys. Do we got a line situation? Do we have a line situation at Shoe Palace? What the heck? Oh, well, that's interesting. That's interesting. The limit's only 15. Maybe that's, I don't know. All right, let's see what happens. We finally are in Club Shoe Palace, you guys. Finally here. They do, I guess they got a couple of retros, I guess. They do got, oh, these are huge though, man. It was a size 12. Size 12, yep. Yeah, they got the Lucky Green 13, size 12. Got these mids. They've been chilling here. Dude got some lows. That's pretty much about it in the Jordan section though. See what we got on sale. Some Puma shirts. What these Puma shirts going for? $19, normally $40. Okay. That's a pretty cool shirt. Kind of bright though. It's on yellow. Like, put that on black or something, dude. Okay. That's pretty cool. I don't know what the price is. $10? Okay. Normally $30, down to $10. Then got a bunch of these Puma shirts. Got a bunch of those. No, that's about it. Marilyn Monroe. That's kind of random. Okay. Tupac shirt. That's kind of dope. $28 though. Kind of steep, but oh, this elastic. This is a pretty good material though. Pretty decent quality. But yeah, kind of pricey. I usually love Shoe Palace, but they really don't have much, you guys. $50 for these, $70 for those. I'm not even a huge fan of the Prestos. These don't look bad. The other ones are just too bright. $1.30 for those. All right, not much on sale. We're gonna have to come back here because they do have the raffles for the Jordan 4 infrareds, as well as the Jordan 1 high patent, as well as the mids. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up with this store at least. Bossco doing his live stream. Make sure you guys go check it out. We are hitting a Foot Locker. Let's see what we find. We are gonna start in the kids section, you guys. Yeah, let's see what we can find, you guys. What? Really? These have been out for what, 2 months? 2 months maybe? Wow, I feel like these haven't been out that long. Dang. Already half price, dang. Have I seen this color? I need to ask Bossco if I've seen this. I haven't seen this one. $60 for these. These going for $60. I'm surprised these are the same price as the other ones because I feel like these have been out for a while. Got the 1111. This is the GS exclusive colorway. A little bit expensive compared to the other one. Then what is that? The USA colorway or something? $80. They do got a couple of Jordans. Got some Jordan 6s. I don't know what colorway this is. $1.20. We got the denims. These are priced pretty well. 50% off at $70, not bad. And then they got these. I don't know what colorway this is. Damn, the leather's not bad. Not bad on this. Not bad. It does have a little protector thing inside. No, it is pretty soft, but it is okay. It is pretty. It's pretty mediocre. It's pretty mediocre. But for kids, you want it to be durable. You don't want the nicest leather for kids' shoes. You do want it to be durable. Going for retail price, I think of $150. $150? Did they go up? Holy crap. Dude got some Jordan lows. Pretty good for girls, I guess. Boys want this too, whatever, you know. Pretty clean. Dude got the core purple blacks for kids. Dang, if these go down, like, I don't know, a little bit more. Is that asking for too much? Is that just being too cheap? I think my kid will like these. I don't know, $60? Not bad. Yeah, if your kids play basketball, that's the one right there, $40. Dang, all the carpets on sale. Wow. Dang, I spoke too soon. These are not on sale. These are a little bit too wild for me, I think. I don't know, what do you guys think? They're all right. A little too much. Dude got these on sale. I remember when these were down to like $29.99. I ended up buying one for my niece. Zoom Freak 2 is on sale too. That's insane. And got these KDs. Dude got some mids here. You know, Bossco's talking about this on his live stream. I don't know. Would you guys keep these on or would you take them off? I don't know. I think the gold's a little bit too much. The maroon is pretty dope. Is this a maroon color? I don't know. Cranberry color? I don't know. What color is that? But it is pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, that's interesting. I've never seen this. Oh, by the way, I did forget. We are in the women's section, you guys. Pretty interesting. This is, I don't know. I'm not hating it. I kind of like the double Nike outlet. And I say double Nike outlet. I love the double Nike sign and stuff like that. The double air. That's pretty dope. Oh man, I'm a huge fan of these, man. Dude, just the material is so nice. Okay. These weren't on sale at that other store that we went to. The Infinity React. Got one more of the Infinity React Flyknits. These white looks dope. I don't know why I like these white so much. Slide sale on the Vapor Max right there. Yeah, let's go see what's up in the guys section, and then we're gonna wrap up the store, I guess. Plenty of spots got these on sale. Pretty much Nike outlet prices. Did I neglect that one too? Yeah, these, I think we've seen these on sale for a couple weeks now. Yeah, this one's kind of growing on me, dude. I don't know. Like, I think the black one, all black one is growing on me. Damn, I'm still surprised these are at this price. I just saw it at Champs, I think for $139. One of the other spots, like I think that's my favorite colorway of those. Then got these, got a few of them for $50. Man, a couple of them. Maybe not a few, a couple. Dang, those of you guys that like really comfy shoes, man, this is it. The upper, this is similar to the Moon Racers and stuff. The upper, very sloppy. Upper might be sloppier than the other ones, but on this, the full-length React is just amazing. For $25? $25, that's ridiculous. All right, they do have a bunch of sales that, yeah, very similar to the other one that we visited. Let's go check out another one. This is pretty crazy. $50 for these. These came out at $190 or $180. That's insane, you guys. The Alpha Dunks right there. There's the Champs. Okay, the Champs is open. We just saw that JD Sports is closed. What the heck? All right, this is still open. Okay, let's go see what's up. All right, we are starting off with random stuff, you guys. I just saw backpacks are 50% off. Whoa. Is this a Jordan 3 backpack? Got the elephant print and stuff on it. Normally $75, so that drops it down to what? $37.50. Okay. Just a regular Nike backpack. Why is it going for $80? What the heck? $40, I guess. Oh, the quality on it is pretty nice. Oh, that's pretty nice. That's not bad. This regular Jordan backpack going for $65, so it's 35% off of that. By 35, I mean 50%, 50% off of that. These two, not bad. I think they're the same ones. Both go for $75, not too shabby. No, we don't check hats too often, but this is actually a Dodger hat. That's kind of dope. Got a Dia de los Muertos. Got it in Dodger blue as well. Go for $32. Okay, that's pretty dope, dude. Not seeing anything else that stands out. It is buy one, get one 50% off. Pretty dope. Similar to the Lids deals. These are pretty dope. Let's have a Lakers. It's kind of confusing because it's like kind of Clippers colors, but that is the California flag colors, I guess. So these are going for $32. Got the old school font, Old English. Those are going for $32. These aren't fitted hats. These are just the regular snapbacks. Is that an MLPS color? No, this is, I don't know. It's just blue, I guess. Oh, that is MLPS color. So they got that baby blue right there. They're going for $32. I guess these are all snapbacks. Okay, got Clippers one. Go for $36. Clippers is more? What? Then got these. Bossco showed this on his channel. I didn't even see this last time. But it does have a map of LA. It's just kind of dope. But it's more LA City, to be honest. But yeah, that's dope. That is dope. These are going for $45. Yeah, these should be more because it looks like it's a lot more work. $45. And they got these as well. That's insane dope. That's dope. I'm wearing some Kyrie 5s today, guys. This is the Concepts colorway, aka the Ikettes. Pretty dope, dude. Nike outlet buy, man. That's just, I was so happy to find these at the outlets. Yeah, man. And then just run all black, dude. All black. We are checking the kids' colorways. They have some interesting things. What are these Jordan mids? I've never seen these. What the heck? Is that plastic or patent leather? Okay. Yeah, $100 for these. These going for $130. Man, I'm a fan of these, man. I need to put mine on. Oh, wait, no, because they're still selling. I always wait till stuff sold out and then I wear them. Dude, got these bad boys, DMPs, man. I'm such a fan of these. I wonder why I haven't worn these. I should wear them. Alright, I'm gonna wear them next week, you guys. Yeah, these are fire. Dude, got some of the Air Max 90s on sale for the kids. Pretty dope. Prices could be a little lower though. 80 bucks, slight discount. Normally they're 100. Yeah, got it. They're all on sale at least. And this one's my favorite because it's priced the lowest. Yeah, I don't think all these other, I don't think any of the colorways are like super dope. But yeah, that's a good price. Air Force Ones right here too. Oh, this is interesting. It's an interesting texture because it's not leather. It's not, I don't know what it is. Woven, some woven fiber. $60 for these. Okay. More Air Force Ones going for 80. It's weird because it's leather right here and then it's, what is this on the side? Nylon on the side. Okay. 80 bucks for those. Normally $110, so this one is going for $110. Okay. Okay, dang, look at this. Crazy price. I think this is all stuff that I have seen, yeah, just at the Champs outlet earlier. Did I say Champs outlet? I mean at the Champs store. Alright, let's see if we find anything different. Dude, got some React shoes on sale. The Infinity React Flyknits. Guess this is a newer colorway, normally $160, so $20 off for these. And this is the Phantom React Flyknits. It does have no laces, but the upper is different. It has some elastic right there. That's different from the first version of these, $120 for these. Still got these bad boys here. These are pretty dope. This is the Supernova colorway of the Presto React. Pretty dope. Got a few of these on sale. The React Visions. Wait, dang, they're all on sale, aren't they, huh? All going for $100. Do have a bunch more Reacts right here. Damn, we've gone through a lot of Reacts right here. But yeah, these are the React Elements. And these go for a little bit cheaper. These are the Element React 87s. These are still on sale. Don't have the other ones, but yeah, this is the one with the Stormtroopers on it. Normally $130 down to $50. They have the fighter, the X-Wing, I think that's what it is. Yeah, still got these too. These are $110 off. And these still haven't sold, even at $100. Still haven't sold. That's just how surprising. Alright, I think that's it. We're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Do got a couple of the Air Max 90s. And people have been asking me about these. These are the infrared colorway, right? People have been asking if I've seen them. Have seen them at the stores. Apparently, I've been walking right past them because, I don't know, they kind of look the same as all the other Air Max 90s. I do like the Air Max 90s, but that's alright. That's alright, not too bad. Yeah, this was going to be the last stop right here, but apparently they're closed. Apparently those people are confused just like I am. I don't know what's going on, you guys. Don't know what's going on. None of the employees are in there. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. Is that Bossco being creepy or is that him investigating? I don't know which is which. Or is it one the same as the other? He's really trying to figure out what's going on.